Your boy Jay Cruz Anchor does the Audiocat here with another day, another video. First of all, always thanking y'all for the love and support y'all give this, man. We are here at the fastest mopar shop in DFW. Jackfabperformance, home of Demonology, home of Battlecat, Intimidator, the Audiocat, of course. We have a lot of fast cars in this place, man. And you know what? We're here to pick up the Audiocat. We had a little evap problem going on. We also added a two-step. Two-step can allow me to be able to keep a consistent RPM at launch. And it also has the no-lift shift that y'all seen from Mod to Fame video. Shout out to Mod to Fame Steph, man. Great advice. We have one. He gave me ideas of going with this one. We went with it. He helped us and basically helped us get this set up, man. So we got the car with a two-step now. Should help us a lot more and being a little bit easier on the drivetrain, man. It keeps the RPM and the transmission from the drive shaft. From the inline shaft, the transmission to the motor, all going at one rotation. So I let go of the clutch. We don't have so much of a hard engagement. So it's kind of crazy here, man. But we are here to pick up the Audiocat right now. We're gonna walk you into the shop, showing you what's going on, man. They got mopars upon mopars upon mopars upon mopars upon mopars. I mean, there's all kinds of cars here, man. And this is the shop that gets it done, y'all. So we're about to walk in here behind the scenes and see what's going on, so we can show them exactly. Let me get this copyright off for y'all real quick. Here with Team Jack Fab, man. This is Jack himself, man. He's working on a building. We got Mac, the best dude in the world, for getting your car together. I got a question. What the hell are you dealing with? I see wires that look like they burnt, man. What is this? It's actually burnt wires. Oh, hell no. Wires are burnt all the way. What happened to this car?
Transmission blew up, fried some wires.
What the
Burned
hell?
everything else in the process. All the wiring harnesses, all the O2s.
Oh my God, how did this transmission blow out?
I don't know, I think he was doing a burnout or something like that.
Was this, wow, this is not normal. Like oh my God.
Pretty intense.
Yeah, it is pretty intense. But you know what? They got it to the right place to get it fixed, man. That's definitely 100%. This is the home of the Audiocat, man. This place has been great to me and a lot of other people, man. They got this crazy ass car here, which I don't even know what to tell you. Look at the one? No, this is not the one. Oh, hell no. It looked like the other one. The twin turbo one. I thought it was the twin turbo. Show me the twin turbo one.
It's so light, you can move it by yourself.
Damn. Look at the twin turbo build. Oh my God, this is roll cage. Guys, look at this. This car is roll cage.
Someone else did the cage, we're redoing it though.
Y'all redoing it, but this car roll cage out big, 15-pound of nitrous over there. This ain't playing around. This thing is actually.
There's even no weather stripping.
This car weight reduction like hell. Like, it's straight up no weather stripping or nothing. This is a straight up race car, no door panels or nothing.
He's not done.
Yeah, you're gonna strip it down. I mean, he's trying to, a parachute. When you got this in the back of the car, this tells you gotta be going really fast to be able to have a parachute. You don't do this if you're not fast. But this car's a twin turbo build?
Yeah.
Is it twin turboed? Let me show you what's going on here. You got the forged carbon stripes on that.
I like this thing is.
This car is really light. Like, look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm moving here with my one hand, the whole car. That's how light this car is. And you want to talk about weight reduction, this is really a true weight reduction vehicle, man. This car could be a twin turbo build, build motor.
Yeah, this is all the strut tires being cut out. The subframe's being, is going to be a weight reduction subframe.
Which is what I'm thinking about buying a mine to help out with weight.
And it's got a 411 stroker, but it's half filled with concrete. It's got hoops in the block so it can't break.
This is a build. This is a full drag. This is gonna be one of the fastest cars out there then.
Like Johnson lifters.
Well, this right here is what? This is that
chiller system, yeah.
That's the chiller system.
This is all going away.
So this is the chiller system. That's the AC that goes in here, right? The Freon?
This car won't have AC, so we're doing away with that.
What is it gonna have for cooling?
Just an ice tank. Because it's gonna make 1/8 mile and 1/4 mile passes, that's it.
So he wants to sell that?
I think he may have already sold it, I'm not sure.
You know I want one.
I know you do.
I want one. I want that. I want the thermal blankets. I want the spacers. I want a couple other things done to my car. But yeah, that's something that I'm definitely interested in. Have you seen the ice tanks that go here? What do you think about them?
You're just putting heat on heat.
Yeah, I mean, it's right there next to each other. Yeah,
this one is going to have an ice tank right here. It's just going to be the passenger seat.
Yeah, but I ain't doing that to my car.
It's just going to be sitting right there.
It could be an ice tank right here in the middle. Oh my God, this car is amazing, 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 y'all. This is crazy, but I love it. I know it could be a crazy build. We got over, that's a Demon. No, that's not the Demon.
No, that's it.
I'm confused with all these cars. I haven't been here for so long. What is that one there?
That's it. We're making it, building a drag pack with it. Jack built this whole.
That's
What?
Hold on. That's not Demon. San Antonio, and he's building a drag pack with this thing.
Jack put this cage together. So.
Oh, that's a beautiful cage, man. Jack fabricated it?
Yeah, he built the whole thing.
He fabricated this roll cage, and that's a nice looking roll cage, man. I'm thinking about putting that mid roll cage on mine for the seats. I know, but that's what Jackfab is.
This is gonna have another crazy build motor. It's gonna have turbo 400, strange rear end, strange brakes.
A lot of money, very fast. Yeah, cause my game is really slow next to these dudes, y'all. That's all I'm gonna tell you. They got, of course, the back battle cat, Intimidator, Henry's car, and a couple other that are waiting for parts. What is this with an SRT?
No, we're doing instead of a WK2 Jeep, that we're doing a Hellcat swap on.
That could be a nice, interesting build.
See our shop car?
Yes.
You remember Rob's old car, or Rob's 300?
The Crockett 300, that's it right there.
Right there, you see it.
I remember this car because I went with him to Gearheads when he had it over there. I remember this. She's got it out. This could be a race car. This is gonna be a race car when it gets done. That audio amplifier worth some money right there.
Not even done gutting yet.
Yeah. This is Rob's old 300.
Damn, what the shit out of this? It's a race car now.
No, it's gutted out. It's gonna be a straight up race car. Dad, what you gotta say?
Terminology influenced too many people.
Huh?
It's our shop car. It's gonna be our shop car. Oh, is it? Yeah,
They be racing the 300, Tony.
So enough. We got a turbo 400 already for it. The built engine will be here this week. Hart is building us a turbos for it. We're just on the
It's gonna be a fast car. Just stay tuned. Like I told y'all, man.
Only a few people can play with my car. My bitch and my bitch, alright? You know what I'm saying?
Yo, like I told you, this is home of the fastest mopars in DFW. Jackfab Performance. They've been in my description since day one. You can always hit below if you need to get some services done. They do from full builds to little builds to just bolt-ons to even just servicing your car. This is the place that I bring my car to. I bring it because I trust them, man. And you know what? We got a lot of great people out here in Dallas. We got Boosted Lucky, DFW. We also got Demon. A lot of people coming out here right now, man, because they really earned the reputation of being the best in the mopar supercharged community in the DFW area, man. Y'all seen what the Audiocat been doing, and now y'all gonna get to see a lot more. I haven't been posting a lot of videos out yet with my car racing. I have a lot of grudge races going on. Once I get the grudge races out, I'm gonna start putting out all the film that I do have and those grudge races out there for y'all to also enjoy if we get the Audiocat back to doing what she do, and that's just, you know, having fun and, you know, mostly, you know, just racing, man. We've had a good reputation of the car. We don't have, I lost one time to CTSV when I was stock. I don't have any of the losses on the car besides that one. I think of another car that beat me when I was also stock, but since I built the car, I haven't really had no losses at all. So that's a great plus for my car. But you know, we're expecting the L someday. Somebody could give us the L. But until then, we're still running really good, man, here with Jackfab, man. So I'm gonna get my car going so y'all can see what it's gonna be like when I get this two-step and see exactly what's going on. Stay tuned. Man. King Jack, what you gotta tell everybody today, man? How you feeling about your growth, man? Your fame, you're becoming so famous, man. Like, these hands are not just regular hands, they worth some money, y'all, because they do miracles on Broadway. In fact, this was the hands that got Demonology's kid working with the Holly. And a lot of great builds out there done by this man. So shout out to Jackfab Performance. In reality, for being a white guy, he's really, really good, man. And you know what? His wiring game is off the chain. I gotta give you credit. I went through some of his stuff, man. I was like, you know what? This dude actually, you know, he finesse it when he do it, man. But it's all gravy, man. I'm proud to be part of this team, man, and really proud to have the people coming here, man. Because the reality, like I said, it's hard to find a good staff to work on your car, but when you have a team that supports you, that's even more valuable. We go out to these racing events, you know what I'm saying? I made phone calls. We've done adjustments on my car on the fly.
Oh yeah.
When I was in St. Louis, we're on phone calls and sending data and doing things, and we were able to knock off a whole second in time.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a whole second is like 10 cars. Like, it's dramatic when you're racing, right? But you know, this is kind of what it's about. Like I told Demonology when it's coming here, it's not about having a racing shop, but having a racing team, man. People that would support you, understand your car, and are there with you whenever you need them. So that's what Jackfab Performance is, man. Shout out to Team Jackfab. Do I get my sticker today? We have a sticker for my car yet? Matthew, do we have a sticker for my car? Yeah, cause we have a sticker. Cause you know what? The thing is, you know, I feel like
You put your foot.
Oh no. I kind of feel like I kind of feel a little effed up. Let me tell you why. Cause I see other people out there rolling with a sticker, and I'm like, bro, how the hell do these people that I brought here to, you know, help them get, you know, in the game, they get a sticker and I don't. I don't know if it's a Puerto Rican thing or you know, that's what it is. Yo, they're on camera saying a Puerto Rican thing, y'all. You know what? Scratch everything. Hell with Jackfab Performance. Oh, they got the sticker, so we're gonna say, man, congratulations to Jackfab Performance, man. They've done some great stuff. So let's go see if they got the sticker for me. Let's go follow them. Hold on. Oh, they got this jet ski too. And you know what? You see this jet ski? There could be a fast ass jet ski when it's done. You see it? Motor's gone. You already know what's getting done on this bad boy. This is not gonna be your regular jet ski. That I can tell you. We're actually gonna do the audio on this build when they get ready for it. We're gonna build a nice ass audio system on here so it can be fast and loud all together. That's what this jet ski is gonna be, man. So I'm about to go turn on the Audiocat and check this two-step out. And let's see what's up out, man. Stay tuned. Tell us how y'all feeling. What the hell are y'all doing here, man? Removing some exhaust.
No.
Taking off the pipes.
I'm putting it on.
You're putting on the exhaust in this one, but this will get it. Oh, they got the headers on it. I see that.
His car's so low, he hit something, so this pipe is all fucked up.
And you got it fixed up.
Yep.
Cause that's what you do now, man. You over here, Team Jack fabbing away. Look at that. The hammer makes a miracle, y'all. But let's go check out the Audiocat, y'all. Stay tuned. Oh, hold on. Let's see. Oh, we got a sticker, y'all. But you know what? Let's go look at the Audiocat itself and go see her over here. Cause she's ready to come home, y'all. This is my baby. That's the red eye over there, man. Bad boy, bad boy. See how many trailers around here too. They ain't playing around. This is the Audiocat. Y'all know her, man. I love her. I missed her. In fact, I gotta give her a nice little kiss. Mwah. Right on camera, man. Baby, don't be getting jealous. But we're about to turn this bad boy on and see how this two-step is doing. Stay tuned. Back to the Audiocat. I'll show you how the two-step work. We're also gonna give you a cold start, a real cold start, so y'all can hear this baby girl, how she sounds when my neighbors love her so much.
Yeah, my neighbors do too.
My neighbors love this car. My two-step, y'all. One more time. Woo-wee. You know you like that shit, Tony. Woo! I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but I know I like it. Just sounds intimidating to me. You pull up to that car, what happened?
Nah, just...
It scared you?
No. I thought...
Your fallopian tube got
I
organized?
thought China finally bombed us.
You thought what?
I thought China finally bombed us.
That's the Audiocat, man. Test tube installed. Thank God for Jackfabperformance, man, and also Mod to Fame. Thank you for helping us get this build going. About to take her home though and get her situated, and let's just see what happens with her, y'all. So pretty much, I don't know what to tell you. I'm just excited. I'm gonna hang up with y'all, so I'll go spend time with her and just cruise home and just enjoy my time. Y'all be good. Y'all God bless, man. Thank you guys always for the support, man. God bless.